Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today is FlyLady Baby Step Day 3. We made it 3 days, and so today's baby step is just to keep doing what you've been doing. Shine your sink at the end of the night and dress to shoes first thing in the morning. And we're trying to build habits here, so I love that today is just a day to kind of keep going with our forward momentum and keep feeling like we're accomplishing things and making habits out of these new things that are going to help us to be more productive. And FlyLady does give us a little tip for today to set out a new dish towel at the end of the night so that in the morning we're prepared for the next day. And also today is a good day, if you haven't already, to go to FlyLady's website, check things out there. It's a lot there, and the site is a lot to take in. But the places to go to would be the launch pad, just to see like what is going to be the things that we're going to start doing once we're flying, once we're in the rhythm of everything, the things that we're going to be doing every day. This is going to be zone cleaning and our daily focus. So if you haven't already, take a look at flylady.net and just get a feel for what it's going to be like once we're finished the 31 days of baby steps and we're smooth sailing from there. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to follow along to these 31 days of baby steps. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.